I'm sure you're all aware of what this is. It's a notebook. It might be funny for me to show off something so analog here on my tech channel, but bear with me for a second. You see, I like to come back to notebooks in order to do things like 5-minute journals or gratitude journals, and I like methods like the bullet journaling method for plotting out my everyday. The thing is, a notebook is only really effective if it's on you at all times. And as you can see from this notebook here, if I can just get the camera to focus on it real quick, it's very hard for me to finish a notebook from cover to cover. Obviously, I live a very digital lifestyle, so I'm always looking for the conveniences that tech can provide while searching for applications that more or less replicate the level of expression you can have in a notebook. Enter Notion, an app that you might be familiar with already and is a powerful tool in the organization of one's life. But in my case, it is the way that I have been able to replicate the experience that I have in my notebook.